Good morning, dear students. Welcome to all of you in online classes of mathematics and next question of exercise 5.2, question number 14. Find the inverse matrix of matrix A is equal to 1 minus 1 1 2 1 minus 3 1 1 1. Find the inverse matrix of matrix A equal to something, and with the help of it solve the following system of equation. System of equation 1 0 1 2 1 0 0 1 1. Okay, into x y z is equal to 1 by 2 2y 6z minus 2x plus 2 into 2 0 1. Okay, again find the inverse matrix of matrix A, and with the help of it solve the following system of equation. Matrix A into matrix X is equal to 1 by 2 into matrix plus 2 into matrix. Okay, before inverse matrix of matrix A, let matrix A equal to something. Solution determinant A is equal to 1 minus 1 1 2 1 minus 3 1 1 1. Okay, on expanding along R1, determinant A is equal to 1 into 1 minus plus 3 plus 1 2 plus 3 plus 1 into 2 minus 1 is equal to 3 plus 1 4 4 into 1 4 plus 5 plus 1 is equal to 10, not equal 0. It means determinant A not equal 0. So A inverse exists. Okay, A inverse is equal to adjoint A upon determinant A. Upon finding of cofactors of matrix A. Upon finding of cofactor of matrix A, cofactor of element 1, cofactor of element minus 1, cofactor of element 1, similarly 2 1 minus 3 1 1 1. Okay, f1 1 over 1 is equal to cofactor of element 1, leaving the corresponding row and column. 1 into 1 1 minus 3 into 1 minus 3, it means plus 3, it means 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. 1 plus 1 2, even number, it means positive sign. Okay, f1 2 over minus 1 is equal to, leaving the corresponding row and column, 2 minus 3 1 1 2 into 1 2 minus 3 into 1 minus 3, it means plus 3. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 1 plus 2 3, odd number, it means negative sign. Even number positive sign, odd number negative sign. Okay, similarly f1 3 over 1, leaving the corresponding row and column, 2 into 1 2 minus 1 into 1 1, 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. 1 plus 3 4, even number, it means positive sign. Similarly cofactor of element 2, cofactor of element 1, cofactor of element 3 1 1 1. Okay, and f21 over 2 is equal to 2 minus 1 into 1 minus 1 1 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 2 2 plus 1 3 odd number, it means minus positive. Okay, similarly 1 minus 3 1 1 1. Cofactor of matrix A. So Fij is equal to F11 F12 F13 F21 F22 F23 F31 F32 F33. Okay, is equal to F11 F12 F13. 4 minus 5 1 2 0 minus 2 2 5 3. It means 4 minus 5 1 2 0 minus 2 2 5 3. Okay, adjoint A is equal to transpose of matrix Fij is equal to transpose of matrix Fij. 4 minus 5 1 2 0 minus 2 5 3. Okay, so A inverse is equal to adjoint A upon determinant A implies A inverse is equal to determinant A is equal to 10. It means 1 by 10 into adjoint A. 4 minus 5 1 2 0 minus 2 2 5 3. Okay, value of A inverse is equal to 1 by 10 into matrix. Given that 1 0 0 2 1 0 0 1 1 into x y z is equal to 1 by 2 2y 6z minus 2x plus 2 into 2 0 1. Okay, implies matrix A into matrix B. First row first column, first row first column, x plus z. Second row first column 2x plus y and y plus z is equal to 1 by 2 into 2y 1 by 2 into 6z 1 by 2 into minus 2x y 3z minus x plus 4 0 2 is equal to x plus y plus 4 3z plus 0 3z minus x plus 2 minus x plus 2. Okay, equality of two matrix. Equality of a two matrix implies x plus z is equal to y plus 4. X plus z is equal to y plus 4 implies x minus y plus z is equal to 4. Equation first. And 2x plus y is equal to 3z implies 2x plus y minus 3z is equal to 0. Equation 2. थर्ड पार्ट y plus z is equal to minus x plus का 2 implies x plus y plus z is equal to 2. Equation third. ओके और वन माइनस वन वन टू मैट्रिक्स फॉर्म 2 1 minus 3 1 1 1 into x y z is equal to 4 0 2. Matrix form of system of equation implies ax is equal to b matrix A into matrix x is equal to matrix B implies x is equal to A inverse into B. Equation first. Matrix A inverse matrix of a matrix A inverse is equal to 1 by 10 into matrix A. Putting the value of A inverse of equation first and equation first and equation 2. From equation first x, it means x y z is equal to A inverse 1 by 10 into 4 2 2 minus 5 0 5 1 minus 2 3 into matrix B 4 0 2. Okay, is equal to matrix A into matrix B 1 by 10 into second row first column minus k 20 plus 0 plus 10 2 नहीं 4 plus 0 plus 6 is equal to 1 by 10 into 20 minus 10 plus 10 is equal to 2 minus 1 1 x y z. Again equality of two matrix implies x is equal to 2 y is equal to minus 1 and z is equal to 1. That is answer. Okay, next question and last question of exercise 5.2. question number 15. Okay, if x1 y1 x2 y2 and x3 y3 are the vertex of an equilateral triangle of side A, then prove that given that triangle of side is equal to A and three vertex A of x1 y1 B of x2 y2 and C of x3 y3. Prove that x1 y1 2 x2 y2 2 x3 y3 2 whole square is equal to 3 into a to power 4. Left side LHS is equal to x1 y1 2 x2 y2 2 x3 y3 2 whole square. taking out two common from C3, okay, and is equal to 2 into 4, taking out 2 common from C3, 2, it means whole square, 2 whole square is equal to 4, 4, x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3, 1, 1, 1 whole square, okay, because area of triangle del is equal to 1 by 2 into x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1, x3, y3, 1, okay, implies 2 del is equal to x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1, x3, y3, 1, x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1, x3, y3, 1, same to same, okay, is equal to 2 delta, putting the value of 2 delta, LHS is equal to 4 into 2 delta whole square is equal to 4 into del square. 4 into 4, 16 del square LHS. Because area of equatorial triangle del is equal to root 3 by 4 into a square. Area of equatorial triangle del is equal to root 3 by 4 into a square, okay, is equal to 16 into del is equal to root 3 by 4 into a square of a whole square is equal to 16 into 3 into a to power 4 by 16, 16 cancel is equal to 3 into a to power 4 is equal to right side. LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. Exercise 5.2 complete. We will discuss in the next video. Thank you so much.